I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting the watch face and exposing the band ends. Lay the Apple Watch face down on a soft cloth to avoid scratches. Use a spring bar tool or a small pin to press the band release button. You'll feel a light click when the bar compresses. Once done, slide the band slightly to disengage. Do this for both sides so the watch is free. This gives you clear access to the spring bars and the replacement belt or link. Now remove the spring bars and examine them closely. You're checking for bends, corrosion, or worn tips that prevent secure seating. Compress the bar inward and gently lift the band free. Then wipe the bar and slot with a small amount of isopropyl on a cloth to remove grime. If the bar looks damaged or loose, replace it with an identical size bar. A proper fit matters because it keeps the belt locked and prevents accidental detachment once reinstalled. To finish, insert one end of the spring bar into the lug hole, compress the opposite end and guide it into place until you hear the click. Make sure the bar sits fully inside both slots. Once attached, pull the band gently and flex the buckle to confirm it's secure and aligned. If the bar won't seat or the band shifts, reseat it carefully, try a replacement bar of the same size, or seek professional service. This single troubleshooting step prevents future drops and ensures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.